Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy Ken. Today we've got something a little different, a little special. I've never done it this way. We've got the Boston butt. Now, usually, big whole Boston butt, 7-8 pounds, no problem. But the way the butcher cut them up this time is a little different. 4 pounds and 4 pounds. I'm gonna try it out. It may cook. It may cook a little faster. I'm thinking that's what I'm thinking. Okay. We're gonna get a simple recipe today, cooks, but something you can do at home. Are we doing pulled pork? Maybe. I don't know. I might cut one up, might shred the neck the other one. I don't know. We're gonna get them out there on the pellet smoker. I'm thinking 275, 300 degrees. Okay. Get it out there. Once we get a nice little bark on it, we're gonna wrap them up. A little aluminum. I say aluminum. Aluminum foil. Okay, cooks. Little binder, little rub. We're gonna cut the deck. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, here we are. Like I said, it's gonna be simple today. Binder, mustard, if you want. You use a little bit of oil, whatever you want to do. Let's cut the side. Well, I got enough. Okay, get your hand in there. If you want to wear gloves, if you're having company, that's fine. I'm not having any company, it's just me and the family. So you get the old man's hand, all right? Now, if you're having company, you know, if I'm having people, I'll wear gloves. All right? Get your binder on there, okay? Get that hand clean. Bow, bow. I'm still here. We've got rib rack spice rub. Cajun. I've never tried Cajun. I've had chicken before. I think I've had beef before, but I've never had the Cajun, so we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, folks? Let's get it on there. There we go. There we go. Okay. It's a little tight. Okay? There we go. Now we're flowing. And the funny thing, the way they cut it like this, the fat cap is only on the back end. So all the rest is good to go. Okay, so we get these sides. All right, pat it in there. So you have an opportunity to get more rub on it. As opposed to when you just have the whole one, the whole bottom is just fat cap. I mean, you could cut it off if you like. I don't. Because it comes off anyway. If you get it tender enough, that's just fall right off. Okay, cooks? Get this. Do the back side. This one, same routine. You don't need to see it twice. So stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, just want to take a moment. We got a little patio makeover me and the wife did. She bought those nice mats. All right, so the spill on the floor, on the ground. We redid the ground, painted. Got it looking pretty good, you know, the makeover. So another pad here. And we got a new set there. Very nice, cooks. You can see the video we did nowhere. I didn't record it. We don't record everything. Stay with your guy. We about to cook again. All right, cooks, here we are. We out here. We're coming up to 270. Let's get him on there. Okay, cooks? Gonna lay him right down. Okay, cooks? A little bit of the seasoning I'm trying to get. Okay, lay it right down on there. Lay it right down on there. Okay, cooks? Get these things on here. Close her up. Boom. I'm gonna check it in like 2 hours. Maybe I'm gonna check it in an hour. Okay? I don't think it's gonna dry up like the normal big size one because they're small. Okay? I don't know. Shout out to science. I don't know. We're gonna check it in an hour. Okay, cooks? If it looks like it's drying up, I'm gonna give it a little spritz of a little, maybe water and vinegar, apple cider vinegar or something like that. I don't think that's gonna happen, but you never know on this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit the notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, here we're at the end. Cooks, we got these two, oh my goodness. These two Boston butts. Crazy. I'm with you. See, cooks. I ain't scared. I ain't scared of the knife. I ain't scared of, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, let me finish. Oh, this is insane. Okay, cooks. So I'm gonna take, you have to taste it first. Have you, cooks, this is outrageous. Hey, cooks, here we are. at the end, we had some problems yesterday, cooks. You know, full disclosure, the pellet grill error, excuse me, I said it too fast. We went to the oven. Do what you gotta do. Cooks, this channel, we improvise. Okay, cooks? You see this bone? Y'all see the bone came out. But we had a lot of smoke on it. We got a lot of smoke on it. It came out delicious though, cooks. It was still delicious. But, put it in the oven. I didn't show that because that's none of your business. Don't say that? I'm sorry. I didn't show it because I was pissed off. That's the true answer. Okay, cooks? But taste, everybody said, taste it. See how smoke ring? Let me show you. This is still good. This is delicious. This channel, so smoke ring. Smoke ring on there. Uh-oh. Every time does not have to be pulled pork, cooks, okay? If you like pulled pork, that's cool. I can do that. I have two of them. This is delicious. Digest. Okay. I'll tell my digest. Okay, cooks? Come out good. You can do it in the oven. I want it still 300 degrees in the oven. After 2 hours in the smoke. The pellet grill errored out and start smoking. I don't know. I'm gonna call Walmart tomorrow. Stop playing. I'm not calling Walmart tomorrow. But I'm gonna see what's happening though. I'm gonna try to fix it. You know the rules. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm still cooking again.